Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how you can install a private server on Fortnite which will allow you to replay any old event in the game. Now I don't want to make this video too long, but before I do start, I want to say if you are new to the channel, I definitely recommend you subscribing and liking today's video if you did enjoy, since I do plan on making more videos like this and going over the history of modding. Now other than that, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. So today's video is going to be done a little bit different than usual, and I'm going to go ahead and split up each step for the tutorial into a segment for the video. Now the first thing you do want to do is go ahead and check the description, and there will be a link to Rift's Discord server. Now once you have joined the Discord, you want to go ahead and navigate over to downloads, and you want to find the one that says event-update.zip. Now once you have downloaded that, you want to go ahead and go to event-builds, and you'll find all of the different builds that you need in order to run the event. For example, the end event was on the version 10.40 for Fortnite, so you need to go ahead and install that, which is 60 gigabytes. Now the next thing you do want to do is go ahead and go to the top right of the Discord and click Jonesy. Go ahead and click his profile and send message. Once you are here, you will be able to message the bot, and this is how you can set your account up. Now what you need to do is go ahead and type in !register along with your username, and it's going to go ahead and create your account and give you a secret. Now I will blur my one so you can't log into my account. However, with that secret, you now want to copy it, and we will use this later. Now once your build has installed, you want to go ahead and get the zip file and extract it. Now once you extract it, you have Rift inside of a folder, and in here you have a few different files. If you double click Rift launcher, it's going to open up a little panel like this, and here you want to put in that secret that we just copied. So if you click paste, that is all you need to do for Rift. Now depending on what version of the game you want to run, you can change it down here. Currently mine will load 14.30, but we can change that to whatever we want. Now this does work on the recent version of Fortnite, however there's no events you can play, and all you can really do is run around inside of the game. So what I will do next is show you how you can install any version of Fortnite. Now if you head into the description, there's going to be another link here called Easy Installer. Now what you want to do is go to the link, go to releases, and then click easyinstaller.exe. Once you've done that, save it to the location, and now you can tab out your Google Chrome. Now once you have done that, you want to double click easyinstaller.exe, and it's going to bring up a console with a bunch of things that might look important, but at the minute they're not. Now what it's going to want you to do is type in a number for your build event. Now what you will notice is there's a few iOS builds, there's a few Android builds, and there's a few Windows builds, so you do want to pay attention to this little tag at the end. Now inside of their Discord server, it shows you every event name alongside their version and their update. Now if you go into their Discord server, it's going to show you the version number, the event name, and the size of the event. Now let's say we want to do the end event. We are looking for 10.40, which is 60 gigabytes. We will go back into our installer, and we're going to scroll up until the number says 10.40, so that will be 75. Now if we find the version, we want to make sure it says dash Windows after it and not Android, otherwise it will install the wrong version of the game. So our number is 75. We'll click enter, 7, 5, enter again. Now it's going to ask for the game location. Now what I'm going to do is go to the place of choice in my main E drive. I'm going to type in Fortnite builds. I'm going to go ahead and make a new folder named 10.40. That will be the version of the game. Grab it, paste it here, click enter, and now it's going to install every single part of the game. Now this will take a long time. It might not take so long for me, however this is installing a massive game file. It's going to take a while, so just be patient and let it install. Now for today's video, I'm just going to show off the Devourer Worlds event, which is in 14.60. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and copy the location for the game. I'm going to go ahead and go back to where I just was inside of Rift. So I'll go to my main thing, scroll up, go to Rift, and now I'm going to go ahead and open riftlauncher.exe. Now we're going to put the ID we had before in here if you haven't already, and then you want to update your build. Once you have done this, you can go ahead and click launch, and now Rift will take over. It's going to do all of the stuff it needs to do to your game, and then everything will work, and I'll get to the next step. So once your game has loaded up, you will notice that you're in the lobby with the account you just made. Now you want to go ahead and go down to where it says solo and click play, and it is as simple as that. Now once you have loaded in, you may be thinking to yourself, okay, well where's the event? Now on your keyboard, you want to go ahead and go to F2 and click it, and this will enable the event and trigger everything that's about to happen. So as you can see, the event has enabled itself, and big boy Galactus is coming straight for us. So this is really cool that we can go ahead and replay events. Now as I said, this does work with a big list of events. They will all be in the Discord server. Now that is going to be pretty much it for today's video. It was a cool video showing off how you can replay old events and play in-game a little bit. If you do have any questions, like I said, there will be a link to their Discord server below where you can go ahead and ask questions and find out a bit more information about Rift. Apart from that one, I'm going to go ahead and end today's video. If you are new to the channel, I do recommend you subscribing and liking the video. And apart from that one, I will talk to you in the next one. Peace out.